Hey, this is your farmer, Natasha from Big Rock Organics, and I wanted to just walk you through this week's box and some ideas and recipes and things that you can do with our goodies from our garden. We're very excited to be kicking off the first week. We've had a lot of rain and things are a little behind, so bear with us, but I hope you enjoy this beautiful bounty. We're pretty proud of it. So in your box, you're going to find lots of goodies, and I'll show you what each one is and give you some thoughts on how to use it this week. So we have a wonderful salad mix. This is a blend of about 3 or 4 different types of lettuces. I would recommend to wash it when you get home and then keep it in a container so you can go ahead and use it whenever you'd like. I use it on top of sandwiches and just enjoy a salad every day. This stuff doesn't last forever, doesn't like the heat, so we're really excited to have some beautiful varieties. We've got Lola Rosa, which is really curly and dark, red oak leaf, which looks like an oak leaf, black seeded Simpson, which is very light, and then also a butter crunch. So yummy stuff in there. We've got another green, baby arugula. This is really tiny, little delicate arugula leaves, and they're delicious to throw on top of like a grilled pizza, even just the basic store-bought frozen pizza. Put it on top at the very end when you pull it out of the oven, and then put a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette on top, or on sandwiches and things like that. So that is the baby arugula, and it's a delicious flavor. We've got bok choy, which a lot of you might be new to. It is an Asian vegetable. It is a leafy green. It's got a nice edible stalk on there as well. And it's wonderful. You could juice it up, you can saute it, you could even make a raw salad out of it, marinate it and grill it. All kinds of great ideas there for you on the bok choy. So some beautiful bok choy coming in. I think it's just so gorgeous, and I'm happy to have something this big this early in the season. Speaking flavor, we have a lot of beautiful purple scallions coming your way. My favorite color is purple, so I always try to have an ample amount of purple in your boxes. And these are just so flavorful. We chop some up and put them into egg salad. You can chop them up and leave them in your fridge and just sprinkle them all week long into everything. They're really good. And you can use the entire bit from the bottom all the way to the top there of the purple scallions. And oh, they'll make your whole house smell good and your whole kitchen. We've got a few more flavors for you. We have a medley of herbs, and these I'm going to actually recommend a couple of recipes for using all the different ingredients in your box. So we have this long feathery one is tarragon, and you can blend that with a little bit of the garlic chives, which look a lot like the scallions, but they're a nice garlicky flavor. And then we have the fresh dill, and you can put all of those into the recipe we're featuring called Jammy Eggs. It's a egg spread that you can put. It's got a little bit of feta cheese and herbs, and you can put it on toasted crostinis, and it's really just a wonderful recipe I discovered this spring. The dill, go ahead and make a radish dill salad with the scallions. It's a really fresh, a nice cold salad to accompany your meals this week. So I'll put links to both of those recipes here at the bottom. And then we have, of course, the radishes. It's getting a little bit warm for the radishes, so we do have the French breakfast radishes, which are a beautiful tapered color from pink to white. And those you could grill, roast. You can roast them in the oven about 400 degrees, 425, toss them in some olive oil and salt and pepper, and that's really good. Or try that radish scallion dill salad. It's really good. We made it the other night. It was delicious. Then we've got, let's see, more goodies in here. Local asparagus. This is from Wiltsey's Farm in Maple Park, and just some beautiful asparagus, so enjoy that. Grilled, sauteed. It's just a wonderful flavor of early spring. And speaking of early spring, we've got rhubarb. Now, a few of you might have gotten some fresh rhubarb. Most of you got frozen rhubarb. I wasn't sure what the weather was going to be doing for us, and so I went ahead and chopped it up and froze it when it was fresh in season just a few weeks ago. So that, just pop in some berries with that, add a little bit of flour, sugar, a little bit of butter, and put it into a pie crust, and you have a wonderful pie. All kinds of different ways to use rhubarb, one of my favorite spring flavors. So there's our box. Hopefully that gives you some ideas, and it sounds like we have our first pickup, so I'm going to run. Enjoy cooking this week, and just send me an email if you have any questions or anything like that. Give you some ideas for the box. Thanks so much for joining us. Enjoy cooking this week. Bye!